Welcome to the StreamSets Advanced SDK course. Let's set the scene. The EveryBook library gets physical book donations from multiple sources. The details of these book donations would also come from those multiple sources and would need subsequently to be added to the main data source of all book details that the EveryBook library keeps. The EveryBook library must distribute this main source of data to various places, and further to use the data locally as categorized data for librarians to use. For example, using a designated portal, a librarian might need to transfer the details to a CSV file all of the reference books that were published between 1989 and 2015. Another librarian might need to use that same file that was taken on that date, filter it further for just May 1991 reference books. They may need to then put these details into a database table or some other destination for some existing application that reads that data and deals with the data in some other way. So the problem comes with trying to deal with all the vast number of origins and vast number of destinations that we might have in this case. We can control this in the portal, and book data can be transferred to any kind of destination that we configure within the portal. Those destinations would be future origins for further filtering, as in our previous example. In our training environment, we have only 4 origins and 3 destinations to experiment with. So the idea with the portal is the librarian will choose an origin and a destination and any other filters that we need to choose. When the transfer button is clicked on the portal, this runs a Python SDK script in the background that will construct the pipeline and also run the corresponding job for that pipeline. The resultant pipeline will contain the designated origin and destination and a stream selector stage that is used to do the filtering needed. The beauty of creating a portal like this is that the librarian does not need to have any knowledge of StreamSets. Some of the origins and destinations are already dealt with in this training, in that the SDK code is already written. Your objective in this course will be using the StreamSets Python SDK to correctly code the stages required that currently have only the bare bones of configuration. Good luck! Thanks for watching.